Hey everybody, this is Clyde Forland with CritterCoin. In a previous video, we learned to create a simple quest. And today we're going to do that again, but this time we're going to use the power of AI to take it to the next level. Let's get started. As always, make sure that you're in admin mode. Find your way over to the quest section. And let's begin by creating a quest. Let's add a new node. Right-click in an open area and search for quiz, and then select that node. Let's go ahead and connect our start node to this new quiz node. Our quiz node is powered by AI and lets you create a quiz on any topic. For this example, let's make the topic fractions, common denominators. For the question type, select math. And for the number of questions, let's use 3. Our quiz node uses AI to automatically score student responses on a grading scale from A to F. In our example, for every student that gets an A, B, or C, we want to give them some reward points and mark their quest as passed. And if the student scores worse than a C, we want to mark their quest as failed and they won't receive any points. So let's add a send reward points node and set the amount to 3. Now let's add 2 end nodes and set one outcome to pass and another to fail. Let's connect the A, B, and C outputs to the send reward points node. And connect the output of that to the end node that has pass as the outcome. Then connect the D and F outputs to the end node that has fail as the outcome. Let's quickly review this quest flow. When the quest starts, the student will be presented with a 3-question quiz. If they score an A, B, or C on the quiz, they will earn 3 reward points and they will pass the quest. If they score a D or F on the quiz, they will fail the quest. All right, that looks good. But let's review one more thing. On every AI node, once you've configured the node, you will see a blue preview button above the node outputs. When you click that, you'll be able to preview the AI interaction that the student will experience on the quest. If you notice an issue with one of the questions or responses, you can report that content and it will automatically be removed from the set. This helps you screen all of the AI-generated content before you send it to your students. Awesome! Looks like AI just saved us a lot of time. Now click Save Changes and add a few details. And be sure to add a quest image. Now let's preview this quest as a student by clicking Save and Preview. Let's go ahead and scroll down and find the quest that we just made. Here it is. If you pass the quiz, you should receive 3 reward points. Looks like it worked. Be sure to set your quest as active, and it will be ready to send. As you can see, AI and Quest are a powerful combination. I hope you enjoyed learning about Quest today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out later for future Quest tutorials. See you later.